As part of its enterprise development and recovery initiatives, the DTI has adopted new normal and innovative advocacy programs to promote small businesses affected by the pandemic. Through market matching, product design, online marketing, and production of promotional collaterals such as the Puzzle Lab YouTube project, Cordillera entrepreneurs were able to engage in e-commerce, and this is a most welcome development for traders from this mountain region. Fully utilizing office personnel as talents with a local production team at first, the agency, with its well-placed communication group members, are already doing innovative promo activities such as live selling and social media promotions. As Cordillerans, we also invoke the presence of the Almighty to guide our entrepreneurs through a prayerful chant called Ugayam.
Ay ugayam, igayaman, ugayam, igayaman. O aman kabunyan, udngat ngatuan, yung kakumanga is-istyungan chatun anak nung pinar parsom sing lapauchin, pitay ay nakaingam, ay. O apon kabunyan, udlang langitan, yung kakumanga bindisyonan anak nung pinar parswam, hincha kumanga man os-osaan tapantayan pita fay tangatang ay. O gayam, di gayaman, ugayam ko, ugayam payan, ay. O aman kabunyan, narputya, yung kakumanga iloswa, akas chinamina sakit sinlapaw chinpita, nang lunat yan korona ta kay kita kuun mangkospos pa, ay. Ay insina alido